Which of the following instrument is used to measure temperature of the source from its thermal radiation? Like we know that normal thermometer, which is measured the temperature on the concept that volume is going to change with respect to temperature, not from the radiation. So there we are supplying heat energy in the form of heat conduction, not by heat radiation. And thermopiles are basically the detector work on the principle of thermoelectric effect. That means if you are connecting different metals and if you are maintaining their ends at different temperature, there will be a current flow. So, and from the current flow, we can identify the difference in temperature. So, that is a concept related to thermopile. So, or that is related to the voltage generated from the temperature difference between two dissimilar metals. So, that is also not working on the radiation, but the spirometer is a device which is used to measure the temperature while measuring the wavelength of radiation. So, in question they are asking the same thing, which are the following instrument is used to measure the temperature of source from its thermal radiation. So from thermal radiation we can measure temperature by using pyrometer, and we know that barometer is a device used for the measurement of pressure, not for the temperature of. Normally we use this barometer for the measurement of atmospheric temperature, atmospheric pressure.